What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Grammarly premium account as a group or a shared group access. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Grammarly or grammarly.com, or you can type in app.grammarly.com. After typing, you will be welcome to the official website of Grammarly. Now, after coming here, if you are new to Grammarly, you will see the option of sign up at here on the left side at the bottom, or you will see the option at the right side on the top. Just sign up with your email and password and other credentials, and then you will be welcome to the homepage of Grammarly. Now, from here on the left side, click on account. And after coming to the account section, click on subscription. And after that, you just need to purchase a subscription. And after purchasing the subscription, you will see the option here that your about your subscription. So just go to the subscription and then you will see the number of seats. So type in the number of seats that you want. And after that, it will show you the plan accordingly. And then you need to upgrade your plan according to that. So this is how you can use Grammarly premium account with share a group access. This is how it is done. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.